is open. Question number 1 is a 10-point question. Ready? Question. Proverbs chapter 2, verse 3 says, lift us up what?
Yellow, 1.
Thy voice.
That is correct. Question number 2 is a 10-point question. Ready? Question. Proverbs chapter 2, verse 11 says, understanding shall do what?
Yellow, 1.
Keep thee.
That is correct. Question number 3 is a 10-point question. Ready? Question. Who, according to Proverbs chapter 2, verse 22, shall be cut off?
Yellow, 1.
Wicked.
That is correct. Question number 4 is a 10-point question. It's a quotation question. Ready? Question. Question number 5 is a 10-point question. Ready? Question. Proverbs chapter 2, verse 14 makes reference to the frowardness of what?
Yellow, 1.
Of the wicked.
That is correct. Question number 7 begins our 20-point questions. It's a quotation completion question. Ready? Question. None that go unto her return again.
Yellow, 3.
None that go unto her return again, neither take they hold of the paths of life.
That is correct. Question number 8 is a 20-point question. It's a two-part question. Ready? Question. According to Proverbs chapter 3, verse 30, strive not with whom without what?
Yellow, 3.
Strive not with a man without cause if he had done me no harm.
That is correct. Question number 9 is a 20-point question. It's a two-part question. Ready? Question. Proverbs chapter 2, verse 15 says, they what in what?
Yellow, 3.
Be forward in the path.
Question number 11 is a 20-point question. It's a two-part question. Ready? Question. According to Proverbs chapter 3, verse 7, be not what in thine own what?
Yellow, 3.
Be not wise, and thine eyes fear the Lord and depart from evil.
That is correct. Question number 13 begins our 30-point questions. Ready? Question. Lean. Which verse of study contains this word?
Yellow, 1.
Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5.
That is correct. Question number 14 is a 30-point question. It's a two-part cross-reference question. Ready? Question. According to Proverbs chapter 1, which verse mentions the words of understanding and which verse mentions a man of understanding?
Yellow, 2.
Proverbs chapter 2, Proverbs chapter 1, verse 2, and Proverbs chapter 1, verse 5.
That is correct. Question number 15 is a 30-point question. It's a three-part question. Ready? Question. According to Proverbs chapter 1, verse 7, what of whom is what?
Yellow, 1.
The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction.
That is correct. And that is your sixth correct response. Good job. Good job. All right, this quiz is closed. Let's give both teams a hand. Yay! 10-point question. Ready? Question. According to Proverbs chapter 3, verse 31, envy thou not whom?
Yellow, 1.
The oppressor.
That is correct. Question number 2 is a 10-point question. Ready? Question. Proverbs chapter 1, verse 8 mentions the law of whom?
Red, 1.
Of thy mother.
That is correct. Question number 3 is a 10-point question. Ready? Question. Proverbs chapter 1, verse 2 mentions what of understanding?
Red, 1.
The words of understanding.
That is correct. Question number 4 is a 10-point question. Ready? Question. According to Proverbs chapter 2, verse 18, her house does what?
inclineth unto death.
That is correct. Question number 6 is a 10-point question. Ready, question. Locate this verse. Yea, if thou criest after knowledge and liftest up thy voice for understanding.
Red 1,
Proverbs chapter 2, verse 3.
That is correct. Substitute. Question number 7 begins our 20-point questions. It's a 2-part question. Ready, question. Proverbs chapter 2, verse 7 says, he is what to whom?
yellow 2,
He is a buckler to them that walk uprightly.
That is correct. Question number 8 is a 20-point question. It's a quotation completion question. Ready, question. Devise not evil against thy neighbor.
yellow 1,
Devise not evil against thy neighbor, seeing he dwelleth securely by thee.
That is correct. Question number 9 is a 20-point question. Ready, question. Proverbs chapter 2, verse 16 says to deliver thee from what?
yellow 2,
From the strange woman, even the stranger who flatters with her words.
That is correct. Question number 10 is a 20-point question. Ready, question. Locate this verse. But the wicked shall be cut off from the earth.
yellow 1,
Interruption.
But the wicked shall be cut off from the earth, and the transgressor shall be rooted out of it. Proverbs chapter 2, verse 22.
That is correct. Question number 11 is a 20-point question. It's a 2-part question. Ready, question. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 says to trust in the Lord with what? And we
red 1,
Interruption.
And lean not in what? Trust in the Lord with all thy heart and lean not into thine own understanding.
That is correct. Question number 12 is a 20-point question. It's a 2-part question. Ready? Question. Proverbs chapter 2, verse 8 makes reference to what of whom?
yellow 2,
He preserveth the way of his saints.
That is correct. Question number 13 begins our 30-point questions. It's a 4-part question. Ready? Question. According to Proverbs chapter 3, verse 7, be not what in what, fear whom, and depart from what.
red 1,
Be not wise in thy